Good morning, guys. It is a great day to have a great day. I'm excited because I'm finally starting to feel better. If you can tell, though, I'm sounding a little congested still. The last 3 days, Caleb and I have just been hit with, have just been hit with the freaking bug going around. Caleb's feeling better. I'm feeling the best I felt in the 3 days. This is day 4. Oh gosh, this is day 4 of kind of feeling crummy. But I did take 3 days off from the gym. It felt good to take those days off, but I've been going a little stir crazy. I don't like to take too much time off, but I know my body needed the time off. So since I am feeling a little better, I am going to work out. I'm going to do a little bit of a full body workout. So I'm going to hit every single muscle group, probably do 2 exercises per group just to kind of get back into it because I am feeling a little weaker. I did probably lose a pound or 2. Just that's what happens when you're sick. So I have to get back on my grind. I did eat a good amount of calories yesterday, but I have to get back on my eating grind. So I'm making some oatmeal right now. Don't mind this horrible, horrible lighting, but I am making some oatmeal, so I need to get to that, and then I'll see you guys in the gym for a full body workout.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. You're running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano.
And just like that, we're home. 30-minute workout complete. Ooh, it just got really dark there, but did a full body workout. Besides core and chest, I don't train chest because of my port, because it hurts. And core, honestly, I was just so freaking tired. I was gassed out by the time I got to biceps. So yeah, it felt good to get a workout in. Had to kind of ease myself back into it since that is my first day back in the gym. This is day 4 of kind of being under the weather, so I haven't been in the gym in 3 days. I'm gonna pick up this house because it is a little bit of a mess since we were sick. I am going to disinfect all the countertops and do all that. And I need to jump in the shower though. I'm all sweaty. Need to get some more food, get some coffee, clean this house, and get to work. It's gonna be a great day. Yeah, yeah.
You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us.
Oh, Lord, y'all are falling over. So most of my work is done. I still have, Oh, almost spilled my coffee too. Goodness gracious. But I still have a couple client emails to do, and then I do still have a little bit more work to do on my ebook, but I did take a quick break and make like a little template for Instagram that I'm going to be posting daily, and I'm really excited about that. I think it's actually kind of cool. It'll help kind of get you ready for the day, get your goals set, and show a little bit of self-love. But Caleb is home now from his showing, and he is making us some homemade burritos. Oh.
You're not getting any.
Okay, I guess I'm not getting any, but I will eat some of the fried chicken that I made last night. So, gonna eat that, then get back to work. I want to show you guys how good these little pie vegan tart thingies are that I just made. And if these ones turn out good like the ones that I made a couple nights ago, then I will film a separate video showing you guys how to make this. But oh, it smells delicious. I wish you guys could smell it. So something happened. I don't know what went wrong, but those taste terrible. The first batch I made a couple days ago, so much better. I think it was just because it was frozen berries. There's a little too much cornstarch in it. Oh my god. I still have that nasty taste in my mouth. That was an epic fail. No. Ew.
Take that, rewind it back. Ursher got the voice to make your booty go.
Alright, made a run to Publix because we want these mini pies really bad. So, got the ingredients. We have, let me put my purse down, this thing's heavy. 2 things of fresh blueberries. This is not all gonna go in that pie just because that's way too much, and I like to use blueberries in the morning for my oatmeal and with acai bowls. Then, I got 2 things of blackberries. Again, these all will not go in those mini pies, but I just like to eat blackberries. I made a homemade pie crust last time, but I really don't want to sit here and make another one. So I just picked these up. Let's make these bad boys. It's been a little bit since I've updated you guys. So we have honestly cleared out an entire plate. There is 12 to a plate. We've already eaten 12, and there's 12 left. They're really good. I'm getting ready to play some Call of Duty with Caleb and his brother and then his fiance. We play live literally like every single night. We have like a little gamer gang, and that's what we call ourselves, the little gamer gang. So yeah, we're gonna go play some Call of Duty, get to bed somewhat early because we do have to get up pretty early to go to the gym. We're gonna go play some COD. Russell's gonna cuddle with me while I play some COD, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you, bye.